Hey guys, welcome to the Vera Projects. Today we're going to go ahead and do a review on a Chromebook 14-inch. This one right here. Okay, it's an AMD processor with 4 gigs. It's fully touchscreen. It's great if you want to go ahead and use it, for school, for virtual learning with the kids. And it's great to have like around the house and just browse the web when you're on the couch. So let me go ahead and show you what it looks like and let's just talk about it. Okay guys, so here you go. You can see the Chromebook is on. It's pretty similar to Windows. If you go ahead here, you can actually click and identify like the Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth. If you want night light at night, if it's too bright, you can cast to your television if you like as well. Another thing that's really nice is that since it's touchscreen, you don't have to really use the mouse much, but you can scroll up and you can go see in all the applications. The other thing that it has, it's the Play Store. So pretty much the same applications that you would go ahead and see on your Android, you would also see it on the Chromebook. Okay, because it's using an Android OS. Okay, the other thing is if you go ahead and hold one of the icons long enough, it'll give you options to unpin it, to close. So I can go ahead and close it that way. It is tied into your Gmail account, so you can go ahead and open up your Gmail and it'll go ahead and show you everything in your Gmail. You can click on this and kind of move it around as well. You can maximize the screen just like Windows. You can minimize it, click it again, it opens up. Then you also have this button all the way here on the left that it basically has Google Voice, so you can actually just talk to it and it'll go ahead and find a search if you need, or an application that you have on here. So see, it says search your device, app settings, and web. So it's very interesting. It's a great machine for the price. Show you what it looks like when you close it. It's nice and slim. It also has a USB port, micro SD, headphones. It does use a USB-C, which is really nice. So if you have a USB-C adapter, you can go ahead and plug that in there as well. And on the other side, you have another USB-C and USB. So you can charge it from both sides no matter what, right? That's what the bottom looks like. So it's really nice. I would say that it's a great machine for the kids. If you want, you don't have to maintain it like Windows. You're not gonna get any type of viruses on here. And it's easy for them to go ahead and learn. It's great for virtual school. If you have to do virtual learning right now, it's easy for you to go ahead and learn it if you're not as computer savvy and you want something easy to maintain. Well, I hope that you liked the video. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. Go ahead and subscribe and I'll see you next time.